Divine Restoration wishes you Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We'll take this opportunity to invite you to our 3-day conference titled Thank God Anyway, 28th, 29th, 30th of December in Penta Hotel, Reading.
All happening on 28th through 30th December 2012 at 7 p.m. nightly and Sunday 3 p.m. at Penta Hotel, Reading, Oxford Road, RG17RH.
Sunday the 30th will be the launch of the long-awaiting devotional book called Covenant Died, which will reveal God's mind to you in the year 2013.
With speakers Reverend Francisca Duncan Williams and host Reverend M.K. Darko. Call 07944-521-330.
Have a blessed Christmas and see you on the 28th, 29th, 30th Penta Hotel in Reading. God bless you.